Hi everyone, this is Kevin Smith, first generation farmer and founder of the Pasture Stand online farmers market. In this first tutorial video, we're going to cover how to register for a new farmer membership. This process only takes a couple minutes to complete, and when you're done, you'll be able to start advertising and selling your products to local consumers. Let's get started. First, we're going to click the login/register link at the top right of the homepage. Since we don't have an account set up yet, we need to complete a quick registration process. On the right, you'll notice some information here about two types of possible accounts: a customer account or restaurant account, which is the same thing, or a vendor account, which is for farmers. Since we're farmers looking to sell goods in the market, we're going to choose the vendor option. Note, with a vendor account, you aren't strictly limited to selling goods. You can still buy things from other farmers as well. So let's say you'd like to buy hay for your cattle, for example. You could sign into your vendor account and make that purchase. Anyways, moving on, let's click register. On the left-hand side, we'll see several empty fields that we need to fill out in order to register. But first, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click I am a vendor because, as we discussed a minute ago, we want to create a vendor account. When we click that, you'll see that several new registration fields pop up that we need to fill in. We'll start at the top and work our way down. For a username, I'm just going to put in an example farmer test. And then I'll put in a fake email as well, and we'll enter a password. As you can see, the password field, as you fill it in, it gives you hints on how to create the strongest possible password. And if the password is too weak, it will refuse to create your account. So put in something that abides by the hints. That way it'll help keep your account secure. Okay, so that's a strong password, and I'm going to move on. Put in my first and last name. Okay, now we get down to the shop name and shop URL fields. Since we're creating an online store, we need to give it a name. In most cases, this will just be your exact farm name, whatever you go by when you're selling goods typically. Here, since it's just a test, I'm going to put in farmer test. And then when we click down to the shop URL, it will automatically fill in this field with our shop name. Okay, so what is the shop URL and what just happened there with the scrolling icon? So the shop URL is the URL that our customers can use to navigate directly to our own farm store. So this is analogous to a customer visiting your booth at an in-person farmer's market, except this is online and this URL is unique and can be found through Google searches or searching directly on the site. So when we enter in our URL, we do a quick check to make sure that it's unique so that you're the only person with that exact URL. All right, so let's move on. We'll enter in a phone number. And we'll choose our farmer membership. Right now we just have one type of membership available. It's $24 a month, but the first 6 months is free at the time of making this video. There's some other details here about the farmer membership, but I'm going to assume that if you've gotten this far, you probably read about that on our page, Why Join Pasture Stand. But if you're interested, take a look. It's a good reminder for what's included in your membership. All right, and then last but not least, I'm going to click that I've read and accept the terms and conditions. I'm going to leave that up to you to read that. It's outside the scope of this video, but take a minute and check it out. And then we'll click register. This is going to bring us to a checkout page where we can pay for our farmer membership. Sometimes farmers ask us, why do I need to check out if the first 6 months is free? The way it works is you enter in your billing and credit card information now, And that way it starts a timer, a 6-month timer. And when the 6-month period is up, that's when the $24 a month charge begins on the credit card that you entered on this page. So it just makes it simple and easy for that transition to take place from the free 6-month period over to the $24 per month. So I'm not going to enter everything in right now for the sake of time, but this is just like any other e-commerce checkout page. One interesting thing you'll see here is that we do have an account now. It says, "Hello, Kevin Smith." And since we haven't paid for the membership, it's going to give us restricted access. Basically, we can't load and sell products quite yet. Once you go through setting up the billing information and completing the order here, you'll have full access to your account. But let's scroll down here to the vendor dashboard and check that out for just a second. Okay, so once you complete your registration and you want to begin to start selling products on Pasture Stand, this is really going to be your home base, this vendor dashboard. In the next videos, we're going to go over how to set up your online store profile, how to collect payment via Stripe, how to manage orders, and how to add products. Our next tutorial video is going to be reviewing how to add products and sell products on the site. We'll see you then. Thanks.